Hey everybody, so today I wanted to share with you guys a gift I got from one of my coworkers. I wasn't expecting a gift at all, to be honest, so I just wanted to show you guys like what I got so that way you guys can see some of the things that I'm also going to be trying out on my channel later. So stick with me and I will see you in the video. Hey guys, alright, so I went to a meeting at work that, we do them every month kind of thing, and because it's Christmas, my assistant manager decided to gift everybody on like a surprise kind of thing, Christmas gifts. And this year she decided to give me these color brushes. So it looks like you got like a little fluffy brush, a little bit more of a precision, looks like a smudge brush. This one looks like a contouring or blush brush, and this one looks like just a full face powder brush. I really enjoyed getting these. It was a very big shock to me because I thought, oh, okay, like it's food or something, because we were eating. And I wasn't expecting these at all, so I was really happy when I got these. These are quite heavy for their appearance. I do like the texture on them. So this is kind of like a review, I guess. But not really. But I will be doing an in-depth for these, but I just kind of wanted to explain the feel of them. They are plastic for the handles, and I do believe that these are synthetic. I'm not sure where she got them. They were just in the bag. So there's that. She also got me this cute little hand sanitizer. It's like the vampy kind of style. It's called Vampire Blood. I tried it earlier. It smells really nice. It's like berry. So it's basically alcohol with berry scent in it. The two things that I was just like, oh my god, about through the whole 5 minutes of my day when I saw this was the High Performance Neutrals or Naturals from Tarte. It's a little eyeshadow, it looks like palette right there. This is one of them. And it comes with a little brush that you can use, and the palette itself. Yeah, it's an eyeshadow palette. So I thought this was cute. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's supposed to change when you do that. And it's got that little holographic kind of design, but it's supposed to make the lights twinkle. It is a gold kind of packaging. I've never had a Tarte product, so I was just like, oh my god. When she got this, I was literally jumping up and down. Oh, little plastic thing fell out. Okay, so you get a decent mirror. Hi everybody. And you get all of these kind of shades in here. Let's see if I can. There we go. Let's see if you can see it that way better. All these shades in here. And so you get like 3 different, looks like shimmer shades, and then like 3 different matte shades. This one's sparkly though. This one right here is sparkly. So the colors you get is Round Trip. It looks like it's this one right here. Cosmo is supposed to be that one. Tropics, this one. Love Shack is supposed to be that one. Cabana and Do Not Disturb is supposed to be this one down here. So I think this is really, really amazing. I'm going to probably do a look with this in another video so I can kind of review it at the same time, just because I really want to play with it. And so I'm so excited. But one of the things that kind of was like, oh my god, yes, was I've been really wanting to get a Jeffree Star product. I really didn't care what it was. And Lord behold, the Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray in Starberry. is one of the things that I saw immediately in the bag. Like, I literally saw that. That is all I saw. The little holographic strawberry. I'm like, no. And I know what that is. So I got that, and I was just like, yeah. So this one is a 79.4 gram or 2.8 fluid ounces. I was telling one of my friends, so she wants me to do a review on this, so I will probably do a look with the Tarte palette using this setting spray here. But you can't really smell it. It's light. It's very light, but it's strawberry for sure. Kind of like, I don't know, little kid Laffy Taffy strawberry. It is amazing either way, but I was just so happy with that. So I just wanted to do a quick little like video because I was just, it made my day all day. Just, that was amazing, just to get a gift from somebody that was specific like that. So thank you guys for watching. If you could like, comment, subscribe, and I promise I'll do a review on these really, really soon. So see you guys later. Bye.